Today, I'll show you how to add age verification to your Squarespace site. If you're running a website that requires users to be of a certain age, such as a store selling age-restricted products, adding an age verification process is essential. This step-by-step guide will help you set up an age verification pop-up, ensuring your site complies with legal requirements and provides a clear message to visitors. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the marketing section of your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Promotional Pop-up. This feature allows you to create various pop-ups for your site, and it's perfect for what we need. Once you've accessed the promotional pop-up settings, you'll see an option to toggle display pop-up. Switch this option to on. This action enables the pop-up to be visible to your site visitors. It's a crucial step as it ensures that the age verification message appears immediately when someone visits your website. Next, let's move on to customizing the layout of your pop-up. It's important to select a layout that features a clear choice, typically labeled as Enter or Exit. This clarity is vital because it helps visitors easily understand the action they need to take. Make sure that the layout you choose aligns well with the overall design of your website, keeping it visually appealing and user-friendly. Now that you've selected an appropriate layout, it's time to configure the actions your buttons will take. Under the Buttons option, you'll create two distinct buttons. For button 1, label it I am 18-21 plus, depending on the age limit applicable to your content. This button should be linked to your homepage or a specific landing page within your site. By doing this, you allow visitors who meet the age requirement to proceed seamlessly to explore your website. Button 2 should be labeled I am underage. This button should redirect users to an external site, such as Google or an educational resource. By providing this alternative, you ensure that underage visitors are guided away from your age-restricted content while still offering them a valuable resource. Now that your buttons are in place, it's time to add content to your pop-up. This content should include a disclaimer that explains the necessity of this age verification check. It's important for transparency and for maintaining records that comply with legal standards. Your disclaimer should clearly state that this process is essential for reconciling compliance records and protecting both the business and the user. And there you have it. You've successfully set up age verification on your Squarespace site. By following these steps, you ensure that your website is compliant with age restrictions and that your visitors have a clear understanding of your site's requirements. This simple yet effective pop-up serves as a gatekeeper, allowing only eligible users to access your content while directing others responsibly. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching and good luck with your Squarespace site.